Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your lock screen is taking too much time to load on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So it might be because the lock screen has to load a background image. I'm just going to show you guys how to actually just turn that off. So start by opening up the start menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now that we are here, you want to go and select the personalization tile. Just go ahead and left click on that. Select lock screen on the left side. And then on the right side, go down to where it says show lock screen background picture on the sign-in screen. Go ahead and toggle that to the off position. And once you're done with that, you can just close out of here. Restart your computer, and then hopefully your lock screen will load quicker because there won't be any image to load. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.